This video dives into a tense and emotional hearing involving 17-year-old Dorian Camaro, who is facing extremely serious charges that could change the course of his life forever. From the very beginning, the atmosphere is filled with intensity as both sides present arguments that reflect two very different perspectives. On one hand, there is a focus on the defendant's young age, clean background, and strong family support, painting a picture of someone who may deserve a second chance. On the other hand, the gravity of the accusations and the concerns about safety and responsibility weigh heavily throughout the discussion. As the hearing unfolds, it becomes clear that this is not just about numbers or conditions, but about balancing risk, trust, and accountability. Every detail, from personal history to future uncertainty, plays a role in shaping the outcome. The situation highlights how quickly life can take a drastic turn, especially for someone so young, and how important each decision becomes in moments like this. By the end, the outcome reflects a middle ground, but with strict limitations that show just how serious the situation remains. This video offers a powerful look at decision-making under pressure, the impact of choices, and the consequences that follow, leaving viewers with a deeper understanding of how complex and life-altering such moments can be.
Here, and you're asking for bond reduction, correct?
That's correct.
All right, and the court will note for the record, you are actually due to be here on June 9th, but jail transportation, the bus was inoperable, so that's why you were not brought here on that date. So you are here for this date. And to the clerks, did double check. I've already signed investigation motion, but I have another one. So if you could just check to see if you all have it or I need to sign another one.
Yes.
All right, State, are you ready to proceed on the motion?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Cox, you may proceed.
All right, Judge, I call, please. Fine.
Yeah.
Maria, it's final number Wayne. So Lawrence.
Hey, I'm with you.
How are you?
Oh, I'm doing okay. Could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. Make sure you keep your voice up because the court reporter has to hear. Off the record for Cindy, do you want to give her one of those little microphones that may help you?
Oh, here, you can put this one.
Oh.
Yeah. No. You could just step up closer to the mic also.
Yeah.
So, teaser. Here we go.
All right. All right, if you'll state your name for the record.
Yes, ma'am. It's Erica Murillo.
All right, defense, you may proceed.
Thanks. And ma'am, Dorian Camarillo.
Camarillo.
Okay. Do you see him in the courtroom? Is he in the courtroom with us? Your son?
Yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. In your relationship, you're his mom, right?
Yes.
Okay, man. In terms of, do you live in San Antonio?
Yes.
Okay, and how long have you lived in San Antonio?
I'm going to 3 years now.
And presently, you live in a house or apartment?
When we used to live in Dallas, a house.
Okay, but here you live in an apartment now, or
A house.
A house. Okay, and who normally lives in that house with you?
My son, my daughter, and myself,
Okay.
and my pets.
Now, in terms of your son Dorian, how old is he?
Dorian, he's 17.
17 years old.
Yeah.
Is he a high school student?
Yes.
What school does he?
Reagan High School.
And
All right, just 1 second. Off the record. Now, he's already on it. Sorry, Mr. Cox, we were just cleaning up the matter. Mr. Cox, you may continue.
all right. And your son is you indicate that he's in high school, correct?
Correct.
And is a Reagan High School,
Yes, sir.
and that high school is in San Antonio.
Correct.
Now, are you employed here in the city?
Yes, sir.
How are you employed?
FedEx. Well,
Now, ma'am, you understand that your son's bond is set at $500,000.
yes, sir.
That's something that uh, you could, well, with this bond set at $500,000, can you bond it?
We have family, they can help us, yeah.
But you can't, can you make the $500,000 bond?
No, 500,000, maybe a little lower. That works for us, yeah.
Now, your son presently, is he presently employed?
He was, whenever the summer school, that's when he used to work.
Basically, he's a full-time student, correct?
Yes, only on summer he used to do it.
Does he have money in the bank?
No,
Does he own any property?
no,
So he basically, you, in terms of the house where he lives with you.
yes,
And you provided basically.
correct.
And you support not only him, but his sister also.
My daughter, yeah. I have a daughter also. And my pets.
Okay. Pat Williams.
All right, State.
Ms. Murillo, you said you currently live in San Antonio, is that correct? Okay, and you said you've lived here for about 3 years, is that correct?
Yes,
And you lived in Dallas before that?
20 years.
Okay, do you still have family in Dallas?
Yes.
Okay, what does that consist of up in Dallas?
That's family.
Dorian's
dad.
That's Dorian's dad, that's
The
up there.
family.
Okay, and he has family up there as well?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and did Dorian attend school up in Dallas?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay, up to what grade did he go to school up there?
We moved from Dallas to Virginia when he was 11.
Okay, and so he attended school from the time he was 11 until 3 years ago in Dallas?
No, he was born in Dallas, so he went to pre-K all the way when he was 11. So then we moved to Virginia for like 3 years, and he attended school over there.
Okay.
And then we moved back to San Antonio.
Okay, so let me see if I'm following you correctly. So Dorian, your son, he was born in Dallas, is that correct?
Yeah.
And so you lived there with his father in Dallas when he was born?
Yeah.
Okay, and then you lived there for some time until Dorian was 11, is that
11.
correct? Okay, and then Virginia as well?
Yes.
Okay, so it's fair to say he probably has friends still in Dallas and probably in Virginia?
More in Dallas.
More in Dallas?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you all moved to San Antonio 3 years ago?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And so you said that you live in a home currently, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you renting that home or do you own it?
No, we rent.
Okay. And your daughter that you also have to part-time?
Kind of like part-time.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are your working hours?
From 3 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
Okay. And what is your hourly rate that you get paid?
$20.
$20 an hour.
Mm-hmm.
Do you get any extra compensation for working like a differential shift overnight?
No.
No? Okay. And how many hours per week do you work?
25,
25.
27 sometimes.
Okay, at $20 per hour.
Mm-hmm.
So you stated that have you contacted any bonding companies yet?
Yes,
Okay, about how many have you contacted?
like 2 of them.
2, okay. And you stated that you've kind of started to gather family to help you?
Yes.
Okay, and so that's a resource that you have, your family is willing to help you to make a bond decision, correct?
That's correct.
Okay, and you stated Dorian in the summers that he used to be employed, where he used to work at?
With Daddy.
Oh, in the construction?
Mhm.
Okay. And so, do you have a car?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you own that car?
No, I'm doing it all.
Okay. We have to listen to them.
Any further questions?
Nothing further.
All right, thank you. Just leave with the court reporter.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We rest.
All right, State you can have a seat. State any witnesses?
Witnesses, Judge, but at this time we offer State's Exhibit number 1 for the purposes of this hearing.
Any objections?
Objection, Judge, that is not evidence. They're proffering. I presented evidence, so that proffer, and this is not evidence. So I would object to it. That's grounds.
All right.
On the proper cause hearing, I think sometimes you can use hearsay, those types of things, but, for evidentiary hearing.
But also for bond reductions, correct?
Yeah.
Because the rules of evidence don't apply to bond reductions. Am I incorrect?
I think for someone put in a encyclopedia and said, well, just look at this.
Mhm.
Someone would need to be able to make the correct profit. I don't think the correct profit can make.
Okay. All right. The objection will be overruled and the court will review State's Exhibit number 1 just for purposes of this hearing. And if y'all will step back while I read this. All right. The court has read State's Exhibit number 1. And Mr. Camarillo, the court is reading State's Exhibit number 1 really for the sole purpose of making a determination on what your bond should be set at. That will ensure the safety of the community and also ensure that.
As the video comes to an end, the situation leaves behind a strong sense of reflection and uncertainty. While the reduced bond may seem like a moment of relief, the strict conditions attached to it make it clear that the seriousness of the situation has not changed. Every movement, every decision, and every action from this point forward carries weight, especially for someone so young facing such life-altering circumstances. This moment highlights how quickly life can shift and how important it becomes to take responsibility and stay disciplined under pressure. The balance between trust and caution is evident, showing that even when given an opportunity, it comes with heavy expectations. The presence of constant monitoring and limitations serves as a reminder that freedom, even in a limited form, must be handled carefully. In the end, this video leaves viewers thinking about choices, consequences, and the impact of decisions made in critical moments. It's not just about what has already happened, but what comes next. The path ahead remains uncertain, but one thing is clear: every step forward will matter, and the outcome will depend on how those steps are taken.